If you often encounter the unexpected or like to be prepared for any situation, then chances are you carry a multi-tool. The concept of combining various tools into a single device is an old one. These implements have come a long way from the Swiss Army knife you dreamed of as a child. Multi-tools are designed to fill in when carrying a full toolbox is not practical, and they can definitely get you out of a jam. However, not all multi-tools are created equal, and even among the best, some of the individual tools may not work as well as you'd hope. When brands try to pack greater functionality into a limited amount of space, compromises must be made. And with such a huge demand for multi-tools, perhaps it comes off as no surprise that there's literally hundreds of multi-tools available on the market. That's why we put together this list of the best multi-tools on the market. Tough and dependable, we present you the best multi-tools available from the top manufacturers to help you cut, tighten, loosen, open, or twist your way through whatever problems crop up.
If you do real work, you probably want a multi-tool built for real challenges. Gerber Center Drive is the first multi-tool with a full-size standard bit driver on the center axis. That means it drives screws, just like the real thing. And you can interchange your center drive bits with all the bits you already own. Try finding another multi-tool that can do that. Nope, keep looking. But this is no one-trick pony. Gerber Center Drive delivers a full-size outboard knife with reverse thumb support. And the blade is 30% longer than the competition. It's okay, little buddy. A lot of guys have that problem. Since real life doesn't wait, the Center Drive driver, knife, and pliers are all instantly accessible with one hand. The same can't be said for this one. You also get all the other tools you need, and none you don't. So you'll have everything to fix just about anything.
Today, we're excited to show you the newest addition to the series that we call the TI-EDS. It lets you quickly tackle daily tasks without having to run back to a toolbox multiple times a day, thanks to its versatility and compact design.
It features a built-in 40mm magnetic extension arm that locks in place using a frame lock design, and it neatly tucks away and is held in place with magnets. Plus, we integrated a sturdy titanium pocket clip and a magnetic bit storage tray on the back that lets you store 2 standard 1/4-inch hex bits. The bit tray has a spring-loaded ball bearing at the top to make sure your bits can be quickly accessed, yet stay in place until you need to swap them out. That allows you to carry the 3 bits that you find most useful for your everyday carry.
The TI-EDS is a 100% metal screwdriver and comes with a lifetime warranty. Simply said, the TI-EDS lets you comfortably carry and use your favorite 1/4-inch bits while still maintaining a low pocket profile.
This is the SUSPENSION-NXT by Gerber. The SUSPENSION-NXT takes its inspiration from the many bridges of our hometown, Portland, Oregon. It's low profile and has a clip for pocket carry instead of hip carry. Despite its compact size, the SUSPENSION-NXT doesn't compromise on function with 15 tools. Tools include needle nose pliers, standard coarse tooth pliers, and wire cutters. Scissors, medium flathead driver, ruler, file. Wire stripper, large flathead driver. Awl. Bottle opener, can opener, small flathead driver. Cross driver. Partially serrated blade. It's a familiar butterfly open design with spring-loaded pliers. Locking outboard tools offer safe, convenient operation. To complement the pocket clip, it also features an integrated lanyard hold. The SUSPENSION-NXT is designed for the EDC user who requires a fully featured multi-tool that's pocketable for the commute.